So welcome to the site where we produce our strobite fertilizer. So for our project proposal in Philippine Water Challenge, we will be using the Effluent, which is the liquid byproduct in production of strobite. So basically, the effluent is rich in nitrogen. So instead of disposing it into the environment, we are thinking that why not test it into crops? Why not use it as a nutrient solution in hydroponic farming?
So hydroponic farming is basically cultivating crops using nutrient-rich water. So without soil, we use different kind of medium or media. So we can use perlite, rock wool, or any sustainable materials that can be a substitute aside from the soil.
Hello and welcome to this video about sustainable agriculture from waste to nourishment, using wastewater as a nutrient solution in hydroponic farming. In this setup, we'll be exploring how nutrients are recycled to produce fertilizers and how they are used to grow vegetables using open field and hydroponic farming. Producing strobite. Our journey begins with the collection of septage from the septic tanks of Selecnata Farm. The collective septage will be stored in the wastewater storage tank and will be used for the production of strobite, a solid fertilizer rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and ammonium. The septage is siphoned using a pump and transferred to a reactor located in the reactor house. This process usually takes around 7 to 10 days to produce the solid precipitate or fertilizer. The byproduct sludge is disposed of in the dried sludge disposal bin, while the liquid waste of the production of strobite will be stored in the effluent storage tanks. Using recovered fertilizer. The precipitated fertilizer or strobite from the wastewater is air-dried and used in open field vegetable production of such vegetable crops, eggplant, tomato, chili, and okra. This is a sustainable way to use the recovered fertilizers and help reduce the waste of the process. Utilizing effluent. Now, let's talk about the byproduct of the strobite production process, the effluent. Analysis shows that the effluent from strobite production contains a significant amount of nitrogen, which is the primary requirement of leafy greens such as lettuce. This proposal will use the effluent by treating it to become usable as a nutrient solution and medium for hydroponic farming. This simple setup aims to utilize the byproduct of the strobite production process, making it sustainable and cost-effective solution for agriculture. In conclusion, sustainable agriculture is all about finding ways to recycle, reduce, and reuse. This setup shows that the utilization of recovered fertilizers and the byproducts of the production process from the production of strobite, we can create a closed-loop system that benefits the environment, farmers, and consumers alike. Thank you for watching.